I'm akwa bene emfambra channel yesu biem assign wo share ba bedin komo e dia fa nyoma etutu to jawa Ghanaian football ESCO member akeka na agenda akere Kumasi asa ne kotoko boboku na nini na no enso ye de course so e congress na se me congress na mankwa ase bi ti minim de course wo but according to the ESCO member a odin komo e kan ensem no kotoko decided not to vote for or vote against. The kotoko decided say omonto aba no na wakasa de afa Kumasi asa no kotoko ho ye bi din komo e wo saa asem no ho sanso na uwuram e wo Kumasi asa no kotoko boboku na muso a lot of issues enso etimi wo ho me kire onso mo pre-season no mo enso eyo mo pre-season no ni ade omo de artworks about teachers nyame pa Saturday as saying omo bo two friendly games ba ko ya no pa ba ko ya yumre ye no nso ye behwe ni edimu nkomo enso etimi wo ho other stories ye no nso ebobo ba no ye de ho nsem e de beto anim wo hwe eye nsem a eno nso amanfo kekeka amanfo kan de faket ho amanfo kan ze beberi na no matina se me de beto anim platform we so first time I hear video ni a na was subscribe to your channel but notification bell no so de be ya update ni ba each and every single time I want be kan what me ahude ya no man enso esi ko akio Benjamin Jamfin me dey which my friend Ricardo Vaz each and every single time when I'm doing 7 bro and so on this wonderful platform and then no because of office we are not in our usual studio ya wabonting this what ambience na what they are check kakra because we needed to bring you the videos near the no but you fear aya na sound near the no and so improvement kakra and so etimi wom tima mini nkomo no every ESCO nsensem a told no I'm talking about ESCO nsensem not ESCO ni monsem the medical can I even said it on TV say ESCO no nyomom ko kan ho ne de be favor GFA ni bia no men ka ho asem but de be favor clubs no e na be ka ho asem so what ase aha nti no me ba be di nkomo na yahu say no ma no enso ebesifa akọ enso atimi da maye na ohwemu a third term no de so ma giatum third term do ma giatum a eye se ebe koso third term o ye den a na omukọ ho e ko bobo so a o ye den a na omba giatum nti me enye nwanwa me enye nwanwa na ESCO member Kingsley Osaibons my friend Lord Zito Lord Zico sorry my friend Lord Zico okobechi me ho enowo no se wono no odi nkomo a in the history of Ghana football tie ni biem o say in the history of Ghana football ope obia ono ene the best FA president in the history of Ghana football o say Eketo Kraku ono obia metwe ho no obia meka asem bia o favorite a kofa ne bra be body oyeye fato yensene ani nti se o bobodin hwan bia no ono uni asem ohene jan mo obebo kwasinya ntachi mo osida bi obia ni ho Eketo Kraku so say Eketo Kraku is the best FA president no according to the gospel of Ore friend Zico Lord Zico no and I say amount for take kan na Eketo Kraku enso eye obi a oyusu intimidation ni ade ena de enya nemo opese wonya bi one fan one teams ni din komo a oyusu intimidation bi a wanye sia ma me a me see de ma wanye ose da bi enye sa na ket eye ne neoma nti sa media speculation e koso ene nsensem ne koso abontin ose da bi enye sa na sitie nti mu amokeke kasa nsensem no munya ka na mo Eketo Kraku din da because ono no or a blessing to Ghana football or no na be the best FA president ever so what you say and you know no me no so we know I'm just bringing the stories me passing comment on it because me pass a comment on it and we are na a bit makwa something that be a personal kakra so I won't even talk about it me but we need someone Lord Zico edit to I was say Eketo Kraku is the best FA president ever a Ghana yenya nti no ene nsemo a ene so fi ho ba be dey tu ani mene enso ewo dwumadi ne so nti no omo na akoto o maba omo na akoto o maba na bia meka sɛ wo hwɛ de we a ade de si kɔ na football no hunu sɛ yamanfo adea yamanfo adwuma ɛna ɔmo yɛ nti no omfa ho nhyɛm bebree because if sɛ obi gye atum sɛ na adwuma ɛyɛ ne dia na odi ho adwuma ɔmo kɔ akɔto akɔhyɛ mmara de ɔmo sɛ yɛ ɔmo adwuma na ɔmo kɔ akɔhyɛ ho mmara kɔ akɔdi ho adwuma but the best me support there no ma frɛ sɛ yi na yɛ de ayɛnkɔ if I listen to audio from the democracy cap launch na Keto Keku ka say football ni unite yen football ni kan ebom ba eduru ma bi na say football kan ebom ba de so kwa akɔto aba na aka kyerɛ sɛ mo yɛ independent body ɛyɛ mo amode a na sɛ mo ankasa no minim de mo ampɛsɛ mo keka mo nsɛm no ti wo de na me fo nsi wo na me nya ho nkɔ so what I say nya ho nkɔ na me ntimi ntu ankɔmɔ ne so na brand e fɛ na yɛ Evans Osei Usu capito no ɔyɛ former player that my team my friend na yɛ Samates abrante yi yatete sɛ obeba ba like kotoko pɛ no kotoko de ɔmo no mato na nim nyoma kotoko fo pɛ sɛ wɔyɛ before sɛ ɔmbetimi agye no ɔmo timi nim ne didi nkomo bebree but am sɛ abrante ne camp no nyɛ happy with nyoma kuma sɛ ne kotoko de to ɔmo anim ɛne ade so am sɛ deal no ɛyɛ ade a the tendency say e be possible say abrante ne be kotoko player no wo form currently as we speak but matete say media mafo no so aba awuram media mafo no aba awuram a they want to get abrante for the Evans Osei Usu on board na o megina o mutimi nim na ontimi nya adwuma emfa mo abrante ne de no so utiemu din na o wesere no mane si kwa ne kotoko ba ana omba no it's not about performance it's about how fit to betimi stay because on say he's been out for some time. So Kotoko, you're very careful when it comes to Sano Manamano. You don't want any sort of burden. The cover player banner on Timimo. And if you look at the position now, Kotoko were a lot of players there. Kotoko will play the brave on the position. So you good Chelmo, so you good in Chelmo. Kotoko were a lot of players. I was that the position. He's a ringer. And Kotoko were a lot of ringers in their team. You know, and you'll be out this Okaka Fanabano, Obetiman, Dinet Diakusi in terms of BBR, football there. They are full of uncertainties, but sometimes there are certain things to take into consideration. So, Kotoko consider the media man and so Burma more try everything that they can do. So, and so betting me na a branch and Ababisia kind, and so at media moment, and then send some cacao so free hoba, but the home and seven, and so at 2 minutes, and so I would do Madina. So, we are to us now, Yenin Como. Now, yet was near to me, didn't come there, who has to focus where you are. They are still on the market. They are still getting or more answer team on, polishing the team, trying to make sure say the season that you will it won't be like last time. No, the America catch was say, "Who did Dramani pressure on so not pressure say a be a team the pressure man so, but so over for Juma Nipa now ye ne from Ababeno or also fourth." Unya 58 points instead of Kumas and Kotoko to 58 points. You know, a head to head. And I got the Eda through the channel. Now, oh, no, near Juma Berama has a folk. When you had the opportunity to sign players, I know Pesa. Until no matter Quachoka Cradman. But one buy, you know, you've seen yet a 1070 be a lot of people out for money at the idea or more answer by board in Nano, BBI 18 equally. So for that reason, you need to deliver more than Nipana best succeed, no, because Oko Amawaba. And they should not share before Manchester City appointed away from Pep Guardiola. Zenga Pep call Manchester City no want me and UEFA Champions League na. Enka company just or maybe more than for team of Manchester City. Card never count not to the same level. Maybe Mancini when Pellegrino bay because they also won the Premier League. But no buy no, we keep consistency. To me, we need Premier League net to us 4 times. Maybe UEFA Champions League. So for that reason, in the respect, was wrong. So nipa na wo kwa ma wo refen Didi Domani aba. He did something monumental because so wo for has folk pedigree in terms of house of folk no maya want me and live to the expectation. But if you want to pick house of folk from the last 4-5 years he's giving them improvement. To be fair Jumana Sana, you need to make sure say you are winning something. You are doing things to make sure say something will come out from your man. Also you will have to folk bobo. So was not to players nibi. Currently, 4 no man announce Baba Damu, aye Prince, aye Kwabena Usu, on didn't mean whom border. So the Prince, you're the Prince or the Kwabena, but as a who can't hold the army, but I'm say Prince Kwabena Usu, former Bibiani Go Stars player no. wa sign a branch friend Ali Mohammed and wa sign a branch friend Frank Duku to four na confirmed ya tete a lot of players are omo Heart of Folk and so a books ni mu before so mebo again team friend Heart of Lions in the Homo Cup as then no na omo enso team confirm players ni bi because players ni bebre na omo bo Heart of Folk ball na no government Homo Peace Cup before so mebo no omo Heart of Lions the ball ni bi one confirm players ni be the account because ya tete Rocky Jam na he's shining in the friendly games at Heart of Folk ball. Shadrach Otu also doing same. Inti other players who has a full camper, strikers been here, they don't have a full camper. Before AB or money Heart of Lions, the boss are more Peace Cup no matter me announce one so that they will come and play. It's not because they want them to play it no more announce one but you can't use our players in the Bobo Abraham announce one more. So what I say, this will be something that I may on TV probably and supporters better and all that. To announce who player, he's playing as what? As a guest player all day. To be sure, say they will announce players. But so team one players in the one sign be 4 na confirm. It be a baby 8. Beba so goalkeeper room. So what I say, goalkeeper room and quality room near the idea. And the other focus so market so more so many players back be. I'm told that some of the players are not happy, sir, because of the new breeder airball and other stuffs. But that is how Ghana sit here each and every single time. So what company mu our bompire no bompire say you get the favor of the people that they will come on board. Nipo do buy any but still nipa na wabano feels say you can help ne only progress. And yes, I was so betimi ayeshi. So what I say so we know you from Heart of Folk and Heart of Folk for the fans, the coaches, even the playing body, some of them they are happy with a branch of Ali Mohammed. And they are yearning to see them play in the Ghana Premier League when Ononi Abante Fen or CICB a partner with Chiho. So Ononi Heart of Folk in Samoa. May the air to him. Now Kumasi Sando Kotoko, Babaya Rano. It's getting to a point where Kotoko bet me about medical video about a year and ra. I think that was in update 4 and answer update 3. Move them out. I show videos kakra and so to them out on the same platform. The way I normally see them say, yeah, Kotoko now can start laughing, knowing that if not for anything, prelims need dear. Ebe to the Baba Yara posted. Ebia Kotoko to make qualify group stages one Ebia probably they will need to do more again to make sure say calf and so accept it. And yes, sir, and share no man to me and use it, but for the prelims, it's all many quarter on the other idea. I'm sure say Kotoko bet me I use Baba Yara posted the way human CIA to what we call no video in Bia update 4 and update 3. Bet me you see the current state of a year Baba Yara posted the mountain say doing a bar in so to among focus so yeah and all that. So I think say very good. Yeah, more NS about because I listen to open a friend or Safudu Kumasa Sanokotoko's communication director, and he said the chunk of whatever is being spent on Baba Yara to make it ready for Kotoko African Games, from the NSC. Kotoko no man kakran to support, but the chunk of it the National Sports Authority. So yeah, we are not taking anything away from them. They are really doing well and making sure the park will be ready for Kumasi Sanokotoko's game against Kwara from the 19th of September to the 21st of September. From that date, on the fixed game no more Enzo Timiabo. So that is an some kakra and also free bar and me the air to him Enzo Ewojumadin. So now ESCO member the Ghana Football Association. Opening a friend Frederick Echi. Or ESCO member, or Yenia Penny, because we mean your penny were Jumaimu. Now, this is why ESCO member, and you know. So it's because American Cosono, Kumas and Kotoko say, I'm a Saturday, or more about 2 friendly games. Bako 8 a.m. in the morning, and Bako Ensu 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Now, game no Kotokone Black Emancipation, but 8 a.m. in the morning. Now 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Need Soccer Academy, and so to me, but now Cape Coast Sports Stadium. And a Jumadin and so betting Yabaso Kotoko, a Jumadin and so about Bontia, me Bob, and so to me, the mountain. Now for a senior in now a Jumawaye, a year man here, a Conosi and Sibitin Baby, and is why ESCO member. Now I say, odwene ho a wonte ase se team kese te se Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebe ko eye baabi si ye to aba se ye petete mana se ye mpetete na Kotoko be decide se obe abstain Kotoko be decide se on to aba no oso oro no odwene ho a onte ase to ase o se Kotoko should have been man enough to vote on the president term limit. We oni asempa in the din komo so me source no ya asempa. Or say Kotoko should have been man enough to vote on the president term limit. Because what GD say we a team to say Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kesiye sa now we a team. Na say yes ye ko ne akwa take decision. Say obi term of all kon yente team na say me yente team a. Team kesiye sa se Kumasi Asante Kotoko runtimi nkasa wonto aba. See be team senketua ni bidia anka be ka say oh team ketua de but team kesiye se Kumasi Asante Kotoko pa be ka say onto aba de e be say ono feda chi no odwene ho a wonte ase na ese nka Kotoko ye mmema mu a na zo pese utie ni nsem na say wo esco na se no Kotoko's decision to abstain from voting for or against ne kire say Kotoko nye mmema Kotoko ye ma according to the gospel of a Fredachi ESCO member, the Ghana Football Association. But Chilim say, Kotoko ntimi nya sa. Team kese nya sa. Che team kese pa wa ba ya say ye take a decision. Ye to aba e dia ma say president term ye ntre trimu ana say ma ye ntre trimu. Now they will say won to aba no. O so odwene ho a won ti ase na ye Kotoko ye mmema mu a. Na omotimi ehu de wi anoma na nsu esi ko. But sometimes in several people I'll be compelled not to go the way I want to go. I keep on saying this because I need to be very careful with some of the words I may choose when it comes to handling such issues. But I felt you want money now kwani na ne fatai. In some people sometimes one kasa amfa one she nsi hwemba. Kotoko's decision to not vote for or against, you think they don't have reason. You think say Kotoko be sorry no aba Congress na say no aka say minto aba for the term limit. Maybe they are not entirely convinced. Maybe they have their reason. Omo di enti omo say omo nto aba. So if say one meka ho hwe ameka say they should have been man enough to do that thing na ehwe say. So what I say na maka I don't want to go much into it, but me pass stories no on and their mama helpful. So I just want to leave it here. I just have to leave it here. So that is in some of our made too many men and so I would do my dinner. So I can't go Benjamin Jump in the with my friend Ricardo Bass. Each and every single time, and I'm then 7 Bremo and so our platform is so subscribe, mommy, notification bell on us. So I be updating about each and every single time on so I can't go to me the man ends with see call. And then update 2 beba, update 3 beba, update 4 beba, each and every single time. And the I be anti come out. Open GC Papa twice 0560 855-445 0560-855-445 GC bia opato say a player version say a play car say a set of GCs ni nano you betimi abo football boot na opato ni nano they available you betimi ahwe na ya abo you be say share be makram